Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two accounting system platform, which is Wave and NetSuite. So to get started about these two platforms, help you decide which of these accounting software is the right choice for you in 2025. So let's dive into it. Wave continues to be a solid choice for freelancers, solopreneurs, and small businesses seeking a free no frill accounting solution. It offers essential tools like invoicing, income and expense tracking, receipt scanning, and the basic reporting, all in an easy to navigate interface. It's perfect for managing day-to-day finance without needing a full accounting team. NetSuite, by contrast, is a powerful cloud-based ERP platform designed for mid-sized to large business. It offers deep accounting functionalities, inventory management, global financial consolidation, real-time dashboard, and a full automation at scale. That said, NetSuite complexity and cost make it overkill for smaller operations. It requires setup time, training, and a substantial investment. While Wave lacks the depth and a scalability of NetSuite but wins for its simplicity and accessibility. And here's a quick overview about this. So choose Wave if you were a small business looking for free and easy auto accounting software, or opt in for NetSuite if your business is growing fast and you need enterprise level features like automation, advanced reporting across departments. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. Hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.